Around the world today, businesses and nonprofits are facing one of the biggest challenges of our time: how to keep up with rapid digital disruption while still focusing on people. Artificial intelligence and digital transformation are powerful, but they're also overwhelming. Large companies have the resources to implement them, but small businesses, nonprofits, and schools are often left behind. At the same time, talented individuals, especially women returning to the workforce or transitioning from underemployment, struggle to find their place in the digital economy. RizeNext was built to change that. We empower organizations to adopt artificial intelligence and CRM systems affordably and responsibly, thus allowing focus on growth, not technology. And we partner with tech moms to create pathways for women to gain real-world experience in technology and operations. These women are not only transforming their own careers, they're transforming their families and communities. Since 2020, more than 700 women have completed Tech Moms training, and through RizeNext, many have gone on to work in AI and CRM projects that support nonprofits, schools, and small businesses. This model is unique. We're helping organizations modernize, while also lifting underrepresented talent into careers of the future. But awareness and adoption remain our biggest challenges. Many leaders still think artificial intelligence is too expensive or too complicated. That hesitation slows the very progress that could help them grow. This grant will allow us to expand our global outreach. We'll scale free webinars and workshops that make artificial intelligence accessible, grow our internship to career pipeline, and share success stories that prove digital transformation can be both affordable and inclusive. At RizeNext, we believe digital transformation should benefit everyone, not just those with big budgets. With your support, we can bring technical knowledge and opportunity to more communities worldwide. Together, we can ensure the future of work is both innovative and inclusive. Thank you.